Dakis pangut ke Samla nakaleng ke jala kelaiwan shimbenta haka Lympung iakynduh lang Dkhot jong ke Seng Samla jong ke Seng Partai National People's Party kabala penlong haka arpanyo tarik ubana yayong mentagas nem arajar arpawar.
Ka jingelang jogi Dkhot ka National People's Party Youth Front kabala tiap kum ka State Youth Conference haka negasngi kala penlong ha sosotham auditorium Shillong. Bat ka jingelang kala thir halor kumno ban pun ko bor ki Samla ka jala hakilyang baro khamtam ban sandureki bakin long kinong yalam ki bakin sai ki ban mi bujli ha ka sensyar khadar hagi snam ki banwan. Bat kumjo ki ban train ka bentak imlang salang. Ha kini ke jingelang ledon lang Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubelong ru National President NPP ubelalong kongsan yang negasngi National General Secretary jong NPP James PK Sangma President ke NPP Meghalaya Dr. WR Kharlukhi ubelong ru MP Shakaraja Sabha National Vice President ke NPP Pak Preston Tunsong ubelong ru sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ka National President jong ka National People's Youth Front ka Ratika Yuman bat kiwe di ginongkit kam jong Seng NPP bat ke NPYF. Ha gani ke jingalang lapun sengawru eka kaipot trekam jong ke NPYF da General Secretary Perman Bha war soalang balapnya ke jingalang da State President jong ke NPYF kit borlang nongrem.
I saw many statements coming out by different organizations and different leaders, different political parties, especially the opposition, again saying that we cheated the people. We left them out. My friends, when we took a decision on this border issue, when we had to move forward, yes, it was not an easy decision for us. It was a very, very difficult decision to take. But I sat with our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We sat with the cabinet colleagues, with the party leaders. And there was this one line that was there in my mind. I don't know why it came. It's from a movie. Our Honorable Deputy CM spoke about acting and actors and movies. And there was one line that came from a movie. And that line was a simple line that said, "What we do today echoes in eternity. What we do today echoes in eternity." And I want to ask the then government, Dr. Mukul Sangma, that I wish that you are making all those visits today to those villages to try to take political advantage of the situation. I wish you had made that visit in 2011. If you have made the visit in 2011, those villages would not have been left out. It is you who has cheated the people, not the National People's Party. I will say individuals who are making statements saying that they would like to go the legal course. Let me inform those individuals who are making such statements today that the NPP MDCs are not part of that statement. Let me also inform the individual who was making the statement that he was very much part of the discussion when this discussion took place. Why are you trying to now create a political situation out of this and trying to take a political damage? The individual, I'm not saying party or organization or the autonomous body. One individual. We do not appreciate this kind of double standard that is being done. Political members of those parties were also present when the MOU was being signed. Ministers of that party were present out there. And I know that the party has no differences in that issue. Certain individuals have. But I must stress that our party and our MDCs and members are fully committed to the decision that has been taken by the NPP-led government.